today I'm going to share with you an old-time Bajan recipe using the guava. Making guava cheese, and this has nothing to do with dairy. We call it guava cheese because of the texture you get. Now this is a recipe that our grandparents and our great-grandparents would have made. It is so tasty, it is almost addictive. You will absolutely love it. So let's go over the ingredients. I have a bowl of about 15 guavas, 2.5 cups of brown sugar. If you have white sugar, you can use that. The juice of half of 1 lime, half teaspoon of cinnamon, and a half teaspoon of vanilla extract. Now our guavas must be really ripe. Now the first step is to cut our guavas. Once we've cut them in half, we're going to add them to some boiling water and we're going to cook them for about 15 minutes. Our guavas are now finished. We'd have taken them off of the heat, allowed them to cool. Now we're going to take them out. Oh, they're soft. They smell so good. Oh my goodness. Whenever you're using guava, it completely lights up the kitchen. We're going to remove the cooked guavas from the pan, put them into a large bowl. Now we're not going to discard this water because we can use this water to make guava drink. So we're not going to discard it. We're going to put them in, and next we're going to blend our cooked guavas. Now many years ago, our grandparents, they would have used a fork and just crushed it, but no, we're going to use a blender and we're going to get a nice smooth paste. Then we're going to add it to a strainer. Sieve the puree to remove all the seeds and any bits of hard pieces because we need this guava cheese to be so soft, so silky, and so smooth. So once I've completed sieving all of the guava cheese, all of the pureed guava, we'll go on to our penultimate step. Now it's time to cook our guava. So we're going to add the pulp to a hot pan. Then we're going to add the sugar, mix it well, and allow it to cook. This process could take about 20 to 25 minutes. But you need to keep watching it because you have to be stirring it constantly. We'll now add our cinnamon and our lime juice and keep stirring. Finally, we're going to add the vanilla extract. Now it's been about 20 minutes, but we still have some time left to go. It's getting nice and thick and it's moving away from the sides of the pan. Keep stirring, we're almost done. It gets really thick. We finish in 5 minutes and we put it to cool. You put it to set. Our guava cheese is almost done. I would have poured it into this baking tray. Now we'll allow it to set. So this is where we wait. In about 4 or 5 hours, it should be set. We'll be able to cut it, taste it, and see how delicious this is. So we'll be back in a few hours. It's the next day and our guava cheese has set. It's firm yet soft. You can touch it. It's not sticking to your hand. You can move it easily. Now it's time to cut it and taste it. An absolute favorite for children and adults. A great way to use your excess guava by making this delicious Bajan treat. Soft, shiny, addictive. Guava cheese? Now you need to try it. If you have enjoyed this recipe, I want you to look over here, see some of my other recipes, and once you've watched them all, click the button below, subscribe and press the notification bell so you're notified every time I post a video. And remember to leave me a comment. I love hearing from you.